Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about basic tips for healthy and beautiful hair. First one, don't use heat products. Second, try good treatments. Third, trim it, not cut it. Fourth, use volumizing products. Fifth, let your hair be dirty and extra day. Sixth, use branded collection of products. Seventh, don't grip them in tight bands. Eighth, never brush your hair when they are wet. 9. Inject protein into your strands. 10. Don't go for artificial hair. 11. Don't use elastic bands or rubber bands. 12. Soft cute buns are in. 13. Regular oiling and combing. 14. Keep a check on the daily care. 15. Eat healthy. Eat healthy food. I hope you really like the video. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.